Hey, okay, so today we're going to do derivatives when we have a combination of rules, okay? So when we're doing questions like this, I always look at the question first and I say to myself, what's like the overall guiding rule, and then what are the rules I'm going to use within each rule? So the overall guiding rule is actually chain rule for this one, but within chain rule we're going to have to use a quotient rule. So I don't worry about that there's a quotient sign, I just follow chain rule, which is to multiply the coefficient by the exponent, keep the bracket the same, reduce the exponent by 1, and then multiply by the derivative of the bracket. Well, the derivative of the bracket happens to be quotient rule. So derivative of the top multiplied by the bottom minus the derivative of the bottom multiplied by the top all over the bottom squared. Okay, so that, if the question just asked you to find derivative, not simplify, that's where you would stop. But if it did ask you to simplify, how I would do it is I would apply the cube to the top and apply the cube to the bottom, okay? Then I'm going to deal with what's going on here. So 21x squared minus 15x. I'm going to figure out what's going on here. So 42x squared minus 15x, I'm going here, 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 plus 70x minus 25, okay? And I need to, so 42x squared plus 55x minus 25, and I need to distribute that negative. So minus 42x squared minus 55x plus 25, all over 7x squared minus 5x squared, okay? Then I still need to deal with what's going on in the top. Oh, and I still have a 4 here. I might end up putting him with this guy, but we'll just see how it goes. So, okay, and then I have a minus 21x squared, a minus 70x, and a plus 25, and that is all over 7x squared minus 5x squared. Well, look, these have the same denominator, so you can, and we're just, this whole thing is just multiplying, so we can multiply the whole thing together and write it like 4 times 3x plus 5 cubed times minus 21x squared minus 70x plus 25 all over 7x squared minus 5x to the power of 5. So I would stop there and be very satisfied that that was that question simplified.